Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today we're explaining how to make OBS recordings take less space without losing too much quality. In this video, I'll walk you through simple OBS settings that help reduce large video file sizes. Step 1. Open OBS and click Settings from the bottom right corner, then go to Output on the left side. Set the output mode to Simple, change the recording format to MP4, and set recording quality to High Quality, Medium File Size, because this balances good visuals with smaller storage usage. Step 2. If your recordings are still too large, go back to Settings and click on Video from the left menu. Lower the output resolution from 1440p to 1080p, then click Apply and OK, since resolution has a big impact on file size. Step 3. If you need even smaller files, you can further reduce the resolution to 720p, which greatly cuts down storage space. This option is useful for basic tutorials or screen recordings where ultra-high quality is not required. Thanks for watching Techie Dialogue, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more OBS tips and tech tutorials.